Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get promo code in TikTok Shop. So first thing that you will do is simply tap on the shop icon on the bottom left side of the screen. So once you are on the shop, just tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and you should be able to see here coupons. So just simply tap on coupons. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of the coupons that are available in TikTok Shop. So as you can see, we have a new customer offer. So we can just simply claim these coupons. And as you can see, we claim it. And down below, we have some special offers just for us. And you will have multiple options as well over here. So as you can see, if you want to claim it, just simply go ahead and tap on claim. So let's say I'm going to claim this one, 80% off, and I'm just going to tap on use. And from here, you will be redirected to the product. And as you can see, you will have an option buy with coupon on the bottom right of the screen. So tap on buy with coupon and just simply select a color that you prefer and tap on buy now and just simply provide how many quantity that you like and tap on buy now. And from here, as you can see, we have a coupon applied. And as you can see, we have a seller discount already. And when you tap on TikTok Shop discount, you will see all of the coupons that are available. So we have shipping coupon. So I'm just going to select that and tap on confirm. And from there, guys, you'll be able to claim your coupon. And from there, just simply provide a shipping address if you don't have yet, and just simply provide your payment method. And from there, just simply go ahead and tap on a place order in order for you use the promo code. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.